Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Lady Luck HQ channel analytics. She has uploaded 990 videos. She now has 140k subscribers with a total view of 58,430,570 views. She's from US, and her channel type is entertainment. She created her channel since February 26, 2018. The grade she got is B, and her Social Blade ranking is at 50,946th. The subscriber ranking is 180,985th, and then video view rank is 107,722nd. She ranked 34,448th in US and 33,688th in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for Lady is around 167 with a daily view of 119,082. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 120,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $480. Then, monthly income will be $14,400. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $7,920 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $95,040. That is how much Lady Luck HQ earns from YouTube.